Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love.
The black wooden house, a stark silhouette against the vibrant hues of the surrounding landscape, stood sentinel beside a rocky stream. Its exterior, a deep, inky black, shimmered with a wet sheen after a recent downpour, reflecting the vibrant greens of the forest in the azure of the sky. The roof, a tapestry of weathered tiles, sloped gently downwards, adorned with patches of moss and ferns that clung tenaciously to its edges. Rainwater cascaded down the tiles, collecting in small pools that shimmered like jewels in the sunlight. Inside, the air was thick with the scent of pine and damp earth, a comforting aroma that enveloped the senses. The walls, lined with smooth, polished wood, gleamed with an inner light, casting a warm glow upon the rustic furniture. A crackling fire danced merrily within a stone hearth, its flames casting dancing shadows that flickered across the rough-hewn beams. The floor, a patchwork of worn wooden planks, creaked softly beneath foot, whispering secrets of countless footsteps and forgotten memories. Through the small, diamond-shaped windows, the world outside unfolded like a breathtaking panorama. The rushing stream, a ribbon of silver, snaked its way through the valley below, its music a constant, soothing lullaby. The air, alive with the sweet scent of wildflowers and the distant calls of unseen creatures, was a symphony of nature's own making. In this secluded haven, time seemed to slow down, and the worries of the world faded into insignificance. This approach uses multiple, concise paragraphs to break down the description, making it easier to read and digest while maintaining the overall flow and atmosphere of the scene.
Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.